Taslim Rehmani, for a politician to say this is one thing, for a judge to say it is completely another. A judge weighs evidence and on balance comes up with a judgment. Here we have a situation where the judges are condemning her, holding her responsible without any evidence to back that. You could feel that her actions may have sparked this. That's one thing. It's completely different from a judge saying this in an open court.
No, but Rahul, this is highly unfortunate. For the first time I am watching such a thing that judiciary has been attacked by a particular political ideology people. And the Twitter trades are going on, which is highly harsh to the judicial system of our country. And I don't know whether how dare we can do such a thing that we attack, we abuse, we troll the sitting Supreme Court judges of the country. Whatever they said, it can be discussed. Yes, it can be criticized. It can be removed. It can be impugned. Okay, that is the part of the process. But the respect and the dignity of the Supreme Court judge remains intact. But these political ideologues are not keeping intact
that's
dignity.
That's an important point. Let Abhijit Iyer and then Deshmukh Nigam respond. Abhijit, to you first. Taslim Rehmani says, you can like it, you can't dislike it, you can't start casting aspersions on the judge, asking for his removal. That way, if some decision goes against you, you won't like it because there's something wrong with the judge?
Why? The Congress was doing it throughout. All the left parties other than the BJP were doing it throughout during the Rafale argument. They did it again during 370 and God knows what else. Do you know the kind of things they called judges when the Ayodhya judgment went against them? So I'm sorry, this is part of the process. But understand, what we are talking about here is sweeping judicial reforms. You want to end this kind of judicial capriciousness. What you need is serious judicial reforms. Remember, the quality only improves with accountability. Okay, there is too much that is hidden right now. And I'm sorry, but judges are up to scrutiny. They have to be up to scrutiny.
Let Deshmukh Nigam come in. Respond to the point Taslim Rehmani makes that you can't cast aspersions on the judge.
There is a limit. There is a limit for that scrutiny.
Let me also point out Mr. Rehmani is one of the person who's in the center of the controversy. But I will not comment on that. He's being with me on the panel. And we are commenting, we are making statements on the comments made by a judge. That is very important. We have to make a distinction between the judge and the comments. And actually, when an inquiry is ordered, maybe by the Supreme Court or in the Parliament, everything will be considered. Nobody is above the law.
But you're asking for his removal. You're asking for the judge's removal.
The inquiry needs to be held to see whether it amounts to misconduct or not.
Can you criticize the social media? Whatever is happening on the social media, the way the people are trolling the sitting judges, do you criticize or not? Do you agree with that?
The fact is, trolling I never approve, but on the merits, on the contents and comments, we have a right to comment on it. And even the conduct of a judge can also be questioned. Please remember that nobody is above the law.